Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm here to present a unique solution to the challenges posed by climate change, urban sprawl, congestion, and economic and social marginalization: public transport. Public transport is the sustainable solution we need for people, progress, and our planet. That is why, at UITP, a global network of 2,000 public transport authorities, operators, and businesses in over 100 countries, we are working tirelessly to ensure that we have sustainable and robust public transport systems for the future. As the world's population reaches 8 billion, with most people living in urban areas, only half of the global urban population currently has sufficient access to public transport. This means that without a private vehicle, half of the world's urban citizens do not have easy access to jobs, education, and healthcare. Consequently, as populations grow, we can expect to see increasing levels of traffic congestion and environmental degradation. As our population grows, we can expect to see more gridlocked roads due to heavy traffic, increased air and noise pollution in our cities, and a greater number of people marginalized and excluded from the economy and society. This is why we need public transport. Public transport is efficient, sustainable, environmentally friendly, and accessible. It is the solution to urbanization, climate change, and ensuring inclusivity for all. Public transport is accessible to all and benefits the most vulnerable members of our society. Prioritizing public transport in urban planning ensures that diversity, equity, and inclusion are central to our decisions about where we live. In addition, women use public transport and walk more frequently when traveling. Therefore, by empowering public transport users, we are empowering women and families. Public transport is a clean transportation solution for the future. Shifting from private to public transport offers significant benefits for the economy, society, and the environment. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals prioritize sustainable transport as crucial for enhancing community development worldwide. Currently, we are falling short of the global target to expand public transport by 2030. It's not too late to get back on track. Public transport is the quickest and most affordable way to reduce emissions. Doubling the use of public transport in our cities could reduce city transportation emissions by half by 2030. We need to transform our urban transportation networks by scaling up our policy measures and shifting finances towards public transport. We cannot keep expanding urban roads to accommodate more private vehicles, whether they are zero emission or not. In the absence of interventions, motorized mobility in cities could surge by 95% in the next 25 years. How will we achieve our public transport goals? First and foremost, we need ambitious political leadership. We need leaders with the courage and determination to embrace a vision for the future that prioritizes public transport. We need to rethink our cities to prioritize efficient transport for residents and visitors, offering a diverse range of attractive public transport options. We need stable and long-term funding to offer public transport service that people will choose to use willingly. We need effective governance and flexible regulation to discourage private car use. Bold policies, such as road pricing, driving restrictions, and parking limitations can help balance investment in public transport. As countries begin updating their nationally determined contributions, NDCAs, by 2025, they should include ambitious mode shift goals and targets for public transport in their national plans. The United Nations Decade of Sustainable Transport 2026 to 36 presents an opportunity to strengthen synergies between the global climate and sustainability agendas. As part of these initiatives, a global day of public transport would serve as a reminder of the single solution that is better for people, progress, and the planet. These measures will put us on a path to a 2050 that we can all celebrate, a future where communities are connected by public transport. The United Nations can play a crucial role by providing strong leadership, enhancing its institutional capacity on sustainable transport, and fostering closer collaboration between state and non-state actors to improve international cooperation. In this decade of sustainable transport, public transport will be established as a key element of a sustainable future. If we succeed, we will have created the momentum necessary to establish a brighter future for our cities and the next generations that will inhabit them. Thank you very much for your attention and your time.